Okay guys, so now it is your turn to practice, and we are going to practice by, I'm going to give you a simple sentence and you're going to turn it into a compound sentence. First I'm going to do some for you, then I'm going to give you some to practice with on your own. So let's start with, let's use your teachers. That should be fun. Just my light. Sorry, guys. All right. So, obviously, these are not going to be true. Miss Otto loves ice cream. So, where's our subject? Mrs. Otto. Where's our predicate? Loves ice cream. Comma, conjunction, but Mrs. Hovanek loves candy. Period. So now we have, where's our next subject? Subject, predicate. Okay, now let's use a different fanboy. Let's remind ourselves of what the fanboys are. So we have for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Okay? So let's do one with and. We've already done but. Actually no, we've done but before. Let's do or. We can draw, comma, or. Now you think of what you can put in the next part. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you guys came up with tons of great ideas. Wish I could hear them, but I'm going to tell you what my idea is. So we can draw or we can write. Period. Where's our subject? We. Can draw is our predicate. We have a comma and a conjunction because I told you that's super important to remember. Then we have subject we, and we have can write. Let's see, what else can we do? Now it's important to realize that each conjunction does something different, okay? This first conjunction it tells you the opposite or tells you something different, right? So Miss Otto loves ice cream, but Mrs. Hovanek loves candy. I should have used Miss Luxatish there because I know for a fact she likes candy. Now I have we can draw or we can write, right? So this is something giving some options, right? So you use conjunctions for different things. And obviously this is not new to you because you speak, right? And this is how you speak. Let's do another one. Let's do so. So does something completely different. This is a very true sentence. This is not vacation, comma, so. So is kind of like a cause and effect, right? So since this is not vacation, you guys can pretty much see where I'm going with this sentence, huh? So we still have schoolwork. Period. So we have a subject, this. We have a predicate, is not a vacation. comma, conjunction, very important. We, subject, still have schoolwork. Predicate. Some of you are happy about that, and I'm sure some of you are not. That's okay. So now we've used but, we've used or, and we've used so. I want you to go ahead and I want you to create a compound sentence, but I want you to use the word, I want you to do one with yet. And I want you to do one, number 5. I want you to do one, you can do one with so. Practice with yet or and so. Yet and so. Make sure that you take a picture of your 2 conjunctions, your compound sentences using yet or so, and send them to your teacher. We'll probably practice more with this, and you'll get some more examples later on. You guys did great work.